Hello, my name is David Smith, and today we will be talking about total dissolved solids, or TDS, by Standard Methods 2540C. TDS is determined by filtering a sample through a glass fiber filter and into a pre-weighed evaporation dish. After filtration, the sample is evaporated, dried in a 180-degree oven, cooled, and then weighed to determine the mass of the dissolved solids. It is a relatively easy method to run, but there are numerous process inefficiencies that can make TDS quite tedious. The Environmental Express StableWeigh system offers several advantages that we will discuss in this video. The Environmental Express StableWeigh startup kit includes a single filling station with a 300 milliliter 47 millimeter filtering funnel, a weighing bracket, a static deionizer, and a 5-place modular rack that can be configured to fit your oven. There is also a 6-place startup kit, which includes 6 of the funnels and filtering stations. Each kit also comes with a 100 pack of washed and dried ProWeigh filters, as well as a 100 pack of our proprietary StableWeigh vessels. The vessels come pre-labeled and barcoded for easy track and traceability throughout your TDS workflow. Standard crucibles typically do not come with any identifiable markings on them, resulting in a need to write on them using a Sharpie or other permanent marker. The StableWeigh vessels are made of lightweight, non-porous material that does not absorb moisture. This leads to a more precise measurement in your data results. The surface of crucibles can be porous and absorb moisture, which can lead to errors in your measurements. The StableWeigh vessels are disposable, meaning labs do not need to spend time cleaning the crucibles in between sample batches. Per the method, a wash filter and a 47 millimeter funnel are to be used during the sample filtration process. When using crucibles, the filter and funnel are typically set up on a sidearm flask. Our StableWeigh filling system eliminates the need for washing this filter and places the vessel directly under the funnel. Place one StableWeigh vessel inside the support holder and then place the shell on the outside. Next, add the stopper and the filter funnel on top. Make sure the tip is securely inside the vessel so that you don't spill when filtering the sample. StableWeigh vessels have the capacity to hold up to 300 milliliter. The TDS method does not mandate the amount of sample to be filtered. Most labs will collect around 100 milliliters, as I will demonstrate here. Once you've completed filtering your samples, move the rack of filled vessels into a drying oven, water bath, a hot block, or other evaporation device. After the water has evaporated, transfer the rack into a 180-degree oven for at least 1 hour. This ensures that all residual water of crystallization has been removed from your sample residue. After the 1 hour drying time, the rack is pulled from the oven and placed in a desiccator to cool down. The StableWeigh kit's modular rack can hold up to 25 StableWeigh vessels. It is important to note that space consumed by 10 StableWeigh vessels is equivalent to about 3 100 milliliter porcelain crucibles. This means nearly 400% more samples can be dried in the oven at one time using the StableWeigh vessels instead of crucibles. Another advantage of using StableWeigh vessels to consider is the cooling time. After being removed from the oven, samples need to cool to room temperature before weighing. Due to their larger size and thermal mass, porcelain crucibles can take anywhere from 1 to 3 hours to achieve room temperature, whereas StableWeigh vessels take approximately 15 minutes. This is a huge time saver for labs, especially for those with larger batches of samples. After the vessels have achieved room temperature, place the weighing bracket in your balance and zero it out. The bracket helps to ensure the vessel is not resting against the wall or floor of the balance. Next, pass the vessel through the static deionizer and into the weighing bracket inside of the balance. The combination of static abatement and weighing bracket will ensure the best possible weight measurement for the freshly dried vessels. Once you've recorded the weight of the vessel, return the vessel and the rack to the 180-degree oven for an additional cycle of drying, cooling, and weighing. The second weight must be within half a milligram of the previous weight to be considered valid. If you do not achieve weight consistency within this tolerance, you must repeat the process until you get consecutive weights within the tolerance of half a milligram. For StableWeigh vessels, the entire process is typically completed after 2 dries. For porcelain crucibles, even those with glazed surfaces, it may take up to as many as 5 drying, cooling, and weighing cycles to achieve consistent weights of plus or minus 1/2 milligram. So to recap, if you're frustrated with tedious preparation of samples through traditional filtration methods and the loss of valuable time spent continually drying and weighing standard crucibles, then StableWeigh from Environmental Express is the right solution for your TDS analysis needs. Environmental Express, your trusted partner for laboratory equipment and consumables.